Welcome back. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. We have lots lined up for you on this bulletin. Let's start with the headlines. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense detects 8 Chinese naval vessels and 1 official ship near its territorial waters, up from 7 vessels and 1 official ship reported a day earlier. It says Taiwan's forces are monitoring the situation.
And it's not a takeover. They just don't want to see this place, we'll call it a place because nobody knows how to define it, but they don't want to see it go independent.
Donald Trump downplays the idea of Chinese takeover of Taiwan after talks with Xi Jinping. In a Fox News interview, he says that China opposes Taiwan's independence rather than seeking a takeover.
All I can say is that was a great success. I made great deals with these great deals, we have great relationships, but a lot of things can happen and you'll be hearing about it.
Donald Trump returns to U.S. after a 2-day state visit to China, calling the trip a tremendous success and claiming progress on trade and relations with President Xi Jinping. UAE rejects what it calls Iran's attempts to justify terrorist attacks on Gulf nations after Iran accuses UAE of involvement in the war. UAE Minister of State condemns the attacks targeting the UAE and other nations. United States charges Bakr Saad Dawood al-Saidi, an Iraq-based commander of Iran-backed militia, Kateb Hezbollah, over alleged plots to carry out attacks on Jewish and Western targets across Europe, Canada and the United States. Lebanon and Israel agreed to extend their ceasefire by 45 days following U.S.-mediated talks despite renewed violence. U.S. State Department says negotiations for permanent political agreement will take place on June 2nd and 3rd. Zelensky says Ukraine must respond to Russian attacks in a just and tangible way, claiming that recent operations have hit Russian oil facilities and military targets. He praises the effectiveness of the country's intelligence services. New Ebola outbreak declared in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo with 246 suspected cases and 65 deaths reported. Uganda also confirms 1 related death. Health officials warn the outbreak poses a serious risk of spread. Boeing has confirmed that China has committed to buying 200 aircraft during President Donald Trump's visit to Beijing, with a potential follow-up order for 750 more planes. The deal marks a major reopening of the Chinese market for U.S. aerospace giant.